Okay, so we left off just about when we were about to plot our mixed fraction. So I'm going to take a look at this number 3 item again. We knew that this is stopping at 1/2. We knew that this was 1/2. And this number line was partitioned into the denominator of halves. So I know right away, this is 2/2. I could either plot this as 3/2 and 4/2. We can show it like this. Or H can also be represented as 1, since we have 1/2. And then this is another half of the whole. We can also show it as 1 and 1/2. Right, since this is showing 1/2 and this is showing another whole. So there are a few ways to represent the mixed numbers, but what we're looking for is, since we are passing a whole, we're going to use 1/2 and a half. Let's take a look at this number line. Let's change my pen color. All right, I'm going to take a look and use my detective work. I see that there is a hole on this fraction line and another hole here. So I can go back and count the number of partitions on the hole. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Bingo, that's my denominator. That I, to me, is a little tricky because it does look like a 1, but it's actually the letter I. And then our 4/4. So I know I is 1. Change my pen color. One. She's like running like 4th. Now J is plotted beyond the 1/2. So I can go ahead.
Rosie, don't find my phone.
And I know it's 1. The partitions are also 4, so I can go ahead and plot 1/4, 2/4.
Well, Rosie is buying on her
3.
her pants right now, everyone.
4. And 4/4. I could also represent this as 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. For this mixed fraction, we're going to do 1 and 3/4. Okay, so I hope this helps